Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Gmail, click on Compose right here at the top left, wait a bit, and then you'll be able to see a Google Meet button right here at the very bottom. If you have that option, go ahead and click on it, okay? It will be a small camera icon. Just click on it and select offer times. You're free to let them pick a slot. The second option is by going to calendar right here in the sidebar. Okay, go ahead and click on calendar. Click on got it. Now go ahead and select the date. Okay, also the time that you want for your meeting. Go ahead and click on create event. For example, meeting. Now add a guest. For example, I'm going to add myself right here. And then I'm the organizer, and this is the other person. Click on guest permissions. They can modify or not, or leave it. Then once done, the Google Meet link will be automatically tied right here. All right. You could also copy it and send it to the guest, or just click on save. And then we'd like to send the invitation email to Google Calendar guest. Of course, send it. There you go. Now, the guest should receive this exact email. So they can just go ahead and click on join with Google Meet right here. Here's the time. Join. That's how easy it is to send Google Meet invite in Gmail. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.